Well, springtime's still a month and a half away officially, but if you just can't wait to get fishing, preparations are already underway to help restock island lakes for the season. And who better to help do that than grade 1 students from Lakewood Elementary School, who helped the Freshwater Fisheries Society of BC release catchable rainbow trout into 2 lakes in Langford. 150 fish went into both Ida Ann and Lookout Lakes. The release is part of the Fishing in the City program. The goal is to create family-friendly fishing opportunities, which anglers can enjoy after work or with the kids on the weekend.
The Fishing in the City program at this lake started just a couple years ago, and it's a big hit. And we're going to be having Learn to Fish programs starting in May and running twice a month all through the summer, and that's in cooperation with the City of Langford and the Hague Brown Fly Fishing Club. The kids like it a lot. They all love picking a name for their fish and releasing it and hopefully coming back and catching it later on in the spring.
The Freshwater Fishing Society of BC stocks several lakes on Vancouver Island twice in the spring, and then they do it again twice in the fall.